Well, we've been having issues with less than 2-year-old Samsung active water jet. Every time we wash clothes, there is debris or something all in the clothes. We've watched other videos on what is wrong and wanted to make this one so we could help you out. We run the clean cycle on it several times and that didn't seem to help. So this, I already had this apart, but this little clippy thing comes out of the bottom of the agitator. Just need a small screwdriver, 10 millimeter. That puppy comes right out. And then you get a small screwdriver, put it into one of these little holes, and lift straight up on it. The agitator comes out, and as you can see, there is a bunch of crap in there. I've seen other videos where people have taken the whole drum out of it, taken the whole top off and taken the drum out. I'm sure there's probably stuff in there as well. But I think we're going to just try to clean this nastiness out, put it back together, and see what we got. Good job, Samsung. So after about 15 minutes of cleaning it and scrubbing it with an old toothbrush and a drill brush right there, it looks pretty clean. We ran a rinse cycle through it. The metal down there looks like it's discolored. It's just a cheap metal. It's just the metal is just got some flaking on it. It's not dirt. So this is all looks much better. So then putting it back together is basically just the reverse. Just throw it on there. This bolt goes down on the top. And then the thing goes on, the little plug goes on top of that once you get the thing tightened up. Hopefully that cleans it up so we don't have to take everything else apart, the drum and everything, but I'll let you know.